Hi, I'm Kelly Holmes with MyPrintResource.com, wide format imaging, quick printing, and printing news publications. And today we are here with Chris Howard, who's the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for the U.S. for Durst. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having me.
So Chris, here we are at the ISA show in Las Vegas, and there's a lot of energy on the show floor. They've done a great job revitalizing this show. There's good energy, good optimism in the economy. As far as the wide format sector goes, where do you see the growth year over year? What do you attribute that to?
Yeah, so it has been a very good show. Obviously, I think it's been pretty well attended, without a doubt. We've had a lot of good key customers show up to our booth. As it relates to the growth in the digital print sector, the wide format digital print sector, I think a lot of that is driven by, well, it's the natural drive that the end users, the customers of our customers, are still producing into the industry, utilizing large format digital printing within their campaigns, whether it be retail, POP, POS, outdoor transit, out of home, event imaging, all of those types of sectors. Large format continues to grow. I don't think it's been growing over the past 2 or 3 years at the rate it was, say, 4 or 5 years ago when it was in double digit, crazy growth.
Right.
But certainly that growth is still going on. I think the other thing you see with digital printing in particular, which is a big part of this show, is as all of the devices in the production workflow have evolved and advanced over the past few years, and that would be everything from the front end ripping to the printing devices to the finishing devices. Those have all advanced in speed and capabilities. So people are utilizing digital printing within their operations more and more to fulfill these large format print requests. It's allowing them better productivity, better margins, things of that nature. So yeah, the drive for digital printing in large format definitely is on the growth curve still.
Okay. And what do you see as one of the biggest opportunities in the marketplace for that growth?
So for that growth, and particularly the way we at Durst look at that growth right now, if you look at the higher volume digital print run sectors, particularly the very, very high volume machines that are being introduced, we've introduced 2 machines here. We're starting to see a lot of displacement of analog technology in the offset sector now. We kind of saw that years ago with the screen print sectors. Digital printing kind of came in and really kind of went alongside screen printing, but then you started to see more jobs that were being done screen print, being done on digital platforms. Now that the digital platforms are running speeds 10,000 square feet per hour, people are starting to say, I want to use the digital flexibility of these printing presses and being able to maybe tackle what they would consider short run work, what we might consider long run digital work. They're finding it more efficient, more flexible. They can answer their customers' needs by transitioning that work to the large format digital presses. So we certainly see quite a bit of growth in that particular segment, where you have the larger kind of offset litho label type companies coming into play now.
Great. Well, to help with some of those customer needs, you said, and you mentioned you launched 2 different pieces of equipment at this show, the Row 1012.
Yeah.
I got to get these numbers
good.
right.
That's perfect.
And 1030.
We're always so good at this marketing stuff.
How about that? How's that going for you?
Extremely well. Extremely well. We introduced the Row 1000 platform about 3 years ago. Is when we launched it into the industry. Very, very well received. It's the Row 1000 platform is again a high volume 98-inch press, if you will, with various automation configurations, for fully automatic printing, stack to stack, roll to roll printing, roll to cut sheet printing. What we've done is really it's the evolution of the 1000 platform. We've introduced 2 machines, one being the Row 1012 and one being the Row 1030, to kind of address 2 different needs that we found within this high-end sector. The Row 1012 features a 12 picoliter droplet, so it's a fine droplet, still running at speeds like the Row 1000 had run at, so we've kept that high speed, high productivity aspect and brought a quality level, brand new quality level, to this high volume print industry for digital printing. So it's very good, like again, litho label applications, very high quality applications. A lot of very, very good response. We're running it on the show floor here. And then we've also introduced, again, the row 1030. What we've done with the row 1030 is we took our 30 picoliter drop machine, which was the row 1000, and we've increased the productivity quite drastically on it through some new technologies and drive motor advance and print carriage speed advance. So we've basically got the machine running up to 10,000 square feet per hour.
Wow.
And in its normal production modes, it's easily in the 7,500 to 8,000 square feet per hour. So
amazing.
It's a lot of boards going per hour. And again, that machine is for, we have a lot of customers, the quality of the 30 picoliter drop machine in row 1000 is extremely good. I mean, everybody loves the quality of that machine. And again, what we're finding is there's companies that are saying that quality is perfect for what I'm doing. I just need more speed, more speed, more speed. I want to tackle longer runs, longer runs. And it's also not just the run length. With the digital print devices like the row 1000, it's the burst capacity that these companies have. And what I mean by burst capacity is many times they'll have a client that comes in and says, I've got 1 week to launch the store and I have this huge print run. And what they can do is they can scale up, they can get the machine going to its full potential. They can meet those customer deadlines, whereas before they couldn't. So that burst capacity, kind of having that production headroom is very, very important. All in all, though, the two announcements have been quite good. A lot of interested customers, a lot of excited customers. And for our row 1000 customers, certainly that platform is still a viable platform. We've made them very happy because they are able to upgrade, if they would like to either the 12 picoliter version of the 1000, or they could advance the speed of their current 1000. So it gives their platform, that evolution as well. So it's been very, very good.
Oh, well, that's great. Well, I'm glad you're having a good event.
Yeah,
it's so good to see you again.
Nice to see you.
And we do have those press releases up on myprintresearch.com already, so our audience can find them there, or at your website, which is?
DurstUS.com.
Okay, excellent. Well, thanks for joining me today, Chris.
Thank you,
I appreciate
Kelly.
it.
Appreciate it too.
Okay.